Are you looking for a super high-end bunkhouse travel trailer that'll sleep the whole family? Let's take 3 minutes and take a look at this Brinkley Model I 294. What's up, y'all? This is Corey, and welcome back to another RVing with Corey 3-minute RV tour. Pricing and specs, if you're looking for those, will either be in the video description or at the beginning of this video, depending on which platform that you are watching this on. So, starting up front here, or really in the back, you have your double bunks with lots of storage and an actual door to close that off. I think that is so cool. Now, so we spin around this way, you can see that you have a nice open and spacious living area. I've got the desk pulled out today just for something different, but you do have a trifold sleeper sofa for some extra guest sleeping capacity, theater seating right here, and then again, you have your dinette here, so it can be a table, a desk, whatever you want it to be, or it can just get out of the dang way. You do have a projector TV, so that'll project onto this window here. You do have two blinds to block that off as well. That we don't got to worry about some glare. And then right over here, you are going to have your small little kitchenette. It's very, very compact, but very efficient too. You got your trash can, you got your paper towel holder, 3-burner cooktop, 30-inch convection microwave. And check this out. Name another travel trailer other than Brinkley that does dovetailed drawers. How cool is that? Nice big 1-basin sink. And then right over here, you have your 12 cubic foot residential style refrigerator. Runs off a 12-volt compressor though, and a nice big pantry. Coming into the bathroom, you have a lot of countertop space, nice big backlit mirror, stainless steel sink with a medicine cabinet, and a beautiful shower with the spa-inspired shower head and fixture, porcelain toilet, plenty of room around those for a 6'2" goofball with a camera like myself. In the bedroom, you are going to have a 66 by 80 Olympic queen bed. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Front windshield storage above that. Storage space over here. That can be hanging closet as well. 4 drawers. And you do have your hidden away under bed closet. So all this stuff can get out of the way, and then you can hang up your clothes there. Second entry door for easy travel access to the bathroom. And this also has the 3-year exterior seals and gaskets warranty, Asdale sidewalls, and a composite floor, plus the 18K Furrion chill cube. So let me know, guys, what'd they get right, what'd they get wrong, and what would you change? Pricing and specs will be either at the beginning of the video or in the description. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!